Oh no! I mean, it was a hard short to take because it was battery day, and Elon's shit came after market hours. Why's my shit blowing on, man? Fuck it.
I just got retweeted by Twitch community with 23,000 followers for some reason. Awesome.
Nice.
They're helping me out, I guess. I'm a small streamer. Appreciate that. Appreciate that.
I got you. Everyone retweet Deja's tweet.
Then we really got to be on our best behavior. Buy looks really good, man. We broke the initial balance high, came back, retested it, now we're bouncing off of it. You have a little bit of a bear div coming in. If it gets back above like 329, it should fly. 329, 75. Hey, Death, what's going on? Thoughts on Netflix? I think Netflix looks pretty good. It has to get above 490, though. Above 490, it looks much better. You could front run it, obviously, but it would be much more risky. Your obvious target would be 500, and then you've got a gap up here around 525, also a daily pivot. Amazon also looks pretty good into the close, pretty much flying all day. You can see it's been white on the OTS all day long, every single candle. NIO looks like it's ready to break out again. Q's looks like it's ready to break out again. Pinterest getting a shit ton of call volume today. 110,000. Yeah, Pinterest is flying today.
Yeah, it's fucking ripping, dude.
Up 8% already.
Yep. Holy shit, dude.
Looks like it's about to go again, too. Not a single 50-minute candle today was below the 8 moving average.
And pins?
Yeah. Very, very bullish.
Well, I might take a pins trade.
Same thing on Microsoft, not a single candle. Facebook looks, yeah, everything looks ready to rip. Facebook, Apple, Netflix, Microsoft, all the big tech.
That's the scary thing, man.
Yeah.
Remember what happened last time?
Q's and SPY. That was on the top, though. This is on the bottom.
True.
Buy when others are scared, right? We had a lot of people scared in Discord. You guys were all talking about fucking it going lower and we're all going to lose our money and die and blah, blah, blah.
Dude, Square, man. Like, I think Square could hit, like, all-time highs of 170. This shit is fucking unstoppable.
You constantly...
Yeah, C's was running for the hills, man.
If you constantly think it's going to go lower, you're missing every opportunity to buy the dip.
C's was fucking running for the hills.
We still have a long way to go to get bullish again. I'd be happy around like 332, 335.
335, man. Just fill that gap spot.
335 would be nice.
Yeah. Yeah, that gap fill would be fucking great.
We're bouncing
Great.
perfectly off this anchored VWAP.
What were you saying? I couldn't hear you.
I
Dividend
said you were
day.
running for the fucking hills.
Dividend day is already paid on SPY and Qs, so that's good.
What did you say? Sorry, I had the sound up too loud.
No, Deja was talking about if you're scared to buy the dip. I said, yeah, you were running for the hills.
Yeah, I was saying for everybody that's constantly looking for price to go lower, you're missing your opportunity to buy the dip.
No, I did. I'm in. I switched from Apple to calls, and I'm in Twitter, Microsoft, and something else. I can't remember right
Yeah,
now.
dude, fuck. I'm gonna have to take something.
NIO looks ready to explode, man. It topped out on this pivot, literally to the fucking penny, and now it's ready to rocket.
I sold premium on NIO.
Nice, yeah. I'm selling premium and I'm long. I'm doing a diagonal.
Yeah, I did a diagonal on NIO too. That was the other play.
Ooh, look at Microsoft. That 1 minute candle.
I had the game audio really loud, so I couldn't hear anybody.
Oh, good.
Yeah, keep an eye on NIO here.
Microsoft looks pretty freaking good too.
I should have let go of my NIO premium. I was up 50%. We could have turned it into a naked. All good though.
Oh yeah, NIO's ripping. Microsoft ripping. Power Hour. Power Hour is among us. God damn it, dude. Premium I sold.
I hate how Tasty doesn't factor in like the difference between where the contract closed and where it opened from your P&L on the day. Does that make sense? So like it can gap and it doesn't calculate that on your P&L. Because I should be up way more than I am. If I compare my P&L year to date to my P&L on the day, it's not the same.
I don't think I understand what you're saying.
So like where the contracts close and then where they open, there's like that gap in between, right? It
Yeah.
only starts going off your P&L a day, I think, from where it opens. Because my P&L year to date, I'm up way more than I am on my P&L on the day.
I would trust the year to date. You're saying you don't trust the year to date?
No, I do trust the year to date. It just doesn't factor that into the day. Pay attention to your P&L year to date when today closes.
Yeah.
And then watch it tomorrow morning when it opens and compare what the difference is to what it says you're up or down on the day. So let's say you closed at P&L year to date today at 1,000 and tomorrow it says you're at 1,100, but your P&L on the day is only like $20. They're missing that $80 from...
I've never noticed that.
Yeah, it's happened to me a few times.
Cheese needs a hearing aid.
I don't know what
Got
it
the-
is, Coin. They either don't count the after hours or they just don't count the gap. They just go off when whatever it opens with.
Dude, I really like Facebook, man. Facebook's setting up.
Yeah,
It's, like,
Facebook looks
lagging a
solid.
little bit. Yeah.
Approaching
What would be
its
target on this?
Approaching its upper VWAP.
261.
257, 258. And then gap fill, yep.
We're ripping right now, boys.
Like all the tech stocks have abandoned babies. Gap down, gap up. Could call it a morning star if you want. Yeah, we did fill a gap. Rob, I think we have a couple gaps left.
I'm still far in the money on Facebook because I have the I sold the 260s on the first big sell-off, so I still got a while till we get back to that strike.
You sold the calls.
Puts. The first big sell-off.
Oh, so you're in the money?
I'm in the position right now.
I mean, like your sell side's in the money, so you're like a little risky here. Yeah.
Yeah, I still got 24 days though, so I ain't tripping yet.
Yeah.
I'm back out of the money now on Apple.
Nice. It's really fucking funny how quickly what I was saying on Nikola came to fruition. CEO resigns, deletes his Twitter account.
Oh, he deleted his Twitter?
Yep.
I didn't know that. That's funny. What a fucking scumbag.
Fucking dog shit company, dude. Pivot called the top.
Yo, someone get that Photoshop guy a job, because he's
Yeah,
fucking
really.
he hard carried that company.
Yeah, he better be worth millions.
He was the product, you know what I mean? If you think
Literally,
about it.
he was the product.
It's amazing.
How much was Nikola worth at the high?
Billions.
Disgusting, dude. What a shithole market we fucking have.
Billions.
Man, those 330s I called out for you guys. Those things are probably paying on SPY. I didn't even think about that. Oh yeah, they're paying. If you bought them during the dip, they dipped all the way down to about 70 cents. They're at $1.60 now. Pretty damn good lotto.
Fuck, I hate
Uber's
like
the only thing that bent me over today.
Oh, you're still in Uber?
I got out of it today.
Oh, okay.
What happened to Uber?
Fucking fell off a cliff.
Fucking bleeding out today, jeez.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's getting wrecked. Getting wrecked for sure. It just barely missed that upper gap.
Surprised AMD ain't doing shit today.
What's funny is if you sold that premium you were talking about, even though it went up a little bit, I think you'd still be fine.
I had naked calls that I
You're-
bought last week.
On Uber?
Yeah.
I thought you were talking about selling premium on that.
Maybe I talked about it yesterday. I definitely didn't do it.
Papa John's is on fire today.
John's.
Have you seen how coked up that fucking guy is when he makes videos?
No.
Dude, he's coked out of his
Makes
mind.
videos on what, YouTube?
Yeah, he posted shit on like Twitter,
Bro, he has a
TikTok.
TikTok.
Yeah, TikTok.
He's got a TikTok?
Bro, he's straight flexing, dude.
Oh, his house is ridiculous.
He has like a motorized like tricycle going through his mansion, and then he'll be outside like all coked out, be like, "Yeah, look at my helicopter."
He's coked out of his mind in his videos. It's literally
That's
like
funny.
you're watching Wolf of Wall Street.
Dude, he's just flexing
Yeah.
like everywhere.
Yeah, on TikTok, what, flexing the fucking 10-year-olds?
Yep.
I don't know. I watched that and I closed it, and I'm like, man.
You
Like,
buy
what
some
the
Papa
fuck?
Keep
John's?
his Castro off.
Hey, bro, I don't want to talk about
Castro got salty as fuck.
it.
When
Whatever,
he seen-
whatever he's doing is working.
When he's seen Papa John going fucking ham on the tricycle.
If his goal is to make one person upset, it worked.
It's funny for him because didn't they kick him? They kicked him out of the company, right?
Yeah,
Like,
didn't he
but
like
He said some
Sexual
racist shit.
harassment?
No, it was
Yeah,
racist.
he's racist as shit.
It was
but, like, He
racist,
still
yeah.
owns a fuck ton of that company.
That's what I was gonna say. They kicked
He's
him
just no
out of the
longer the
company
face.
as a punishment, but he still controls the same amount of the companies he did before. He just doesn't have to do any
Yeah.
work.
Yeah, like nothing's changed.
he
He's
fucking
just,
made
like,
out on that deal?
Yeah, they kind of fucked up. They like gave him a good punishment.
Yeah. Less work, still the same pay.
Yeah.
Who doesn't want that?
It's actually genius. Yeah.
What did he said some racist shit on a business call, I think, is what happened.
And the fucking thing's named after him too.
Yeah, I'm surprised they didn't try to change that, but you can't change it.
Did he start that company? Is that like his company?
I'm pretty sure, yeah. Might be his dad's or something.
Better pizza, Papa John's.
That pizza sucks too.
Yeah, it's
Yo, the
pretty.
garlic.
it's
the
pretty
garlic
bad.
The garlic sauce.
Hold it, man.
I'll
Garlic
give
sauce
you
is
that.
fire.
I'll give you that. The
Chill,
GS is
crack.
fire.
Crack.
Chill.
The
Sure.
pizza though, dog shit.
Yeah, I kind of like Domino's, and everybody hates on Domino's.
Oh god,
The Domino's near
Domino's-
me is not bad.
you couldn't pay me to eat that shit. I'd rather eat Papa John's than Domino's.
you live in Chicago though, like you fucking. You
Yeah,
got,
there's still got to be better pizza places than
oh, there
by you
are
than fucking
100%,
Domino's.
100%. The
Fucking
better pizza places don't deliver though is the problem.
You guys don't have like any like me and Castro were talking about this last night. Like you don't have any like mom and pops like pizza joints by
Oh,
you
we
like
do,
that
for
have been
sure.
around for like 50, 60 years.
Yeah, we got a couple in my area. They're really good too. They just don't deliver. So
They
when
don't
I'm,
deliver.
when I'm lazy, I order. No, they do carry out.
So a couple years ago, my girl, I forgot what holiday. It might have been New Year's. It might have been New Year's Eve. We were all fucked up late at night and we were starving, and we ended up grabbing Domino's because it was the only thing open like on New Year's Eve, you know. And it was her first time eating Domino's, and like I said, we were all fucked up. She ate it. She's like, "Oh my god, this pizza's so good." And not too long ago, she's like, "I remember that Domino's being good." She ordered it, and she was like, she ate one slice. She's like, "I'll never eat this shit again."
The Domino's by me is not bad, man. We used to order Pizza Hut all the time when I was younger, and then we ordered Pizza Hut recently, like a few years ago, and like literally 3 times back to back. It was dog shit. It was like cold, just fucking poorly made. Just
You
disgusting.
should get them on the
like-
horn, dude. If they
Oh,
fuck
we
your
did.
pizza up, they like return it. Like,
Oh, we did. We called them immediately, told them it was fucking awful, and they gave us some like rewards, and then we used it again, and then it was awful again, and we just wrote them off. But see, like you guys are old enough to remember, Pizza Hut used to be like fucking gourmet pizza, dude. You would go there after like a baseball game when you were younger, you know what I mean? You'd sit down in Pizza Hut. They'd bring it out on like the fucking hot sizzling pan. You guys know what I'm talking about?
I remember that shit, bro.
Dude,
that's
was
another
there.
dog
Do
shit
you
pizza.
remember- Do you remember Pizza Hut used to have a salad bar?
Yeah, man.
And a pizza buffet.
Pizza Hut used to be fire.
Yo, the pizza buffet is still around, like where I grew up, my the city I was born in.
Is it really?
Yeah, for lunch they have a pizza buffet. Shit's fucking.
I don't do
dangerous.
buffets. I think buffets are nasty.
You're nasty.
I think buffets are going out of business, dude. Think about coronavirus. You think anyone's going back to a buffet?
The deal's good.
The only buffets I like are like
Las
the
Vegas.
ones in Vegas.
Yeah, that's the only
Actually
ones I'll
have
go
like
to.
good
today.
food.
Yeah, but those
All the other ones.
they probably cycle through the food so quickly that it's like hot and fresh.
Yeah,
you
you
know?
can get like fucking filet mignon and stuff like that, like ribeye steak, like freshly cut in front of you.
Hey, what did Dine call out? I was taking a nap.
I've never heard a round table sneaky.
Round table's good.
All the other ones, it's like a fucking slap, dude. You probably prison food's probably better.
Literally, dude.
I'm
Prison
up
food.
150% on Twitter today.
Did they have that dog shit place by you guys called Old Country Buffet?
We have Golden
Never heard
Corral.
of it.
Oh god.
Golden Corral's like a
That's
poor
fucking
man's
that's
buffet.
yeah, that's asking for salmonella.
It's literally it's a prison, basically.
They had an old country buffet in like the shittiest mall near my house.
Dude, they're so bad. So fucking bad, dude. I remember one time we walked in there when we were fucking really stoned. We walk in, there was a pile of puke in the entrance.
Oh
Dude. Like
my God.
some guy just went nuts, man. He literally just fucking stuffed himself dead.
Did you still eat there?
Fuck no, we turned right around, dude. Hit up Mickey D's.
Can't go wrong with Mickey D's. Speaking of Mickey D's, they still running? Mickey D's pulling back really hard, man. They're back down to that trend line. You watched a kid at Golden Corral stick his tongue in the chocolate fountain? Yeah, no fucking thank you, dude.
That's gross, dude.
That is nasty as fuck.
That's fucking
Hey,
gross.
Keetoy, we were just talking about you, man. You don't want to know why, but we were. Appreciate you resubbing, man. 31 months, coming up on 3 years, dude. Appreciate that a lot, man. Hope you were able to find some work recently. I know coronavirus has been kicking your ass.
I miss that fucking voice, dude.
Yeah, how come he's not in here?
Calms my tits when I start getting wild.
We were talking about Dragon Chain, Keetoy, if you really want to know. Sneaky said, does your Chicago friend have an opinion on Geno's East? They opened a location near me in Cali.
Dog shit.
He said it's dog shit, Sneaky.
Better off getting if you're looking for like Chicago deep dish, you're better off getting like Giordano's or Lou Malnati's. That's just me though.
Man, those 330 lottos are paying.
And even those to me aren't that good.
Did anybody take the 330 lottos I called out this morning?
On Spy?
Yeah, dude, they're on fire. The low was 70 cents. They're at $1.60. Already up over 100%.
If you guys ever come out here, if you're looking for good deep dish pizza, don't like go to like the touristy places.
BJ's
place-
Brew House ain't that bad for deep dish. What somebody said.
The place is still open.
Oh, Eileen grabbed those spy calls.
You did, Eileen? Nice. You see how
Now she's gonna be talking shit.
You see how she changed her Discord name to Eileen? Because I almost said her name wrong this morning.
Now she's gonna be talking shit in Among Us.
In Among Us, yeah.
Dude, again last night, man. She's acting sus as fuck.
Oh, you guys were playing?
Yeah.
Did you call her out and you were right?
I think no, she fucking slayed me a few times.
Yeah. I don't think you've ever killed me, Eileen.
No, she fucked me up a few times last night.
I don't think she's ever killed me a single time. Every time she's near me, she's acting sus, and I run to the button and call her ass out.
Dude, she's always sus.
We're talking about Among Us. Dude, this 330 is about to pay. It's about to be at 330 already.
Yeah, it's crazy. I can't believe this is amazing. Please gap up to 335 tomorrow.
Here you go. You're about to get it. There, 1 penny. There it is. 330. You guys are
Good
welcome.
money.
Free money. Giving out fun coupons.
I have 335, so I just needed to gap up.
They're at $1.80. Even if you bought them at the high, when I called it out earlier, they were at like $1.40. So no person should be negative on these. On the low, they were at 70. I don't know if I'd hold those overnight. So if you guys took that lotto, I would probably take profit before the close. Because any gap down will murder those contracts. The theta is going to murder them. So I'd probably just take my profit and run on the close.
Yeah, Q's is fucking ripping up right now, dude. I'm up 50% on my Q position.
Nice.
Oh, you're in calls?
Yeah, I got
It's probably the
calls and I
safer-
sold premium.
It's probably the safer way to play tech right now.
If it closes outside that falling wedge line on by the end of the day, I'm gonna add like in the last minute or so.
Oh, you know what I need to add to that spreadsheet? I want to add if we held, could we have gone 100%? I want to see if I'm closing too early on these. Pull this up.
Things are ripping. I'm trying so hard not to fucking FOMO into shit right now.
Yeah,
Holy fuck.
be careful, boys.
I'm fucking reporting these people, man.
Caesar, what's wrong, bro? What's going on? Gotta read the room. Gotta
He's
read the
wild.
room, buddy.
He's wiling out, dude.
Who's
He's wiling out right now.
dude's doing something completely different, dude.
Cheating.
He's
Aimbotting.
he's at Old Country Buffet.
These fucking kids, bro.
Dude, one time I was at Golden Corral and this lady, dude, so I never understand why when people like go to buffets they put like 100 pounds of food on their plate because it's unlimited, right? You could keep going up and up and as many times as you want, right? So this one lady, dude, seriously put like 50 pounds of food on her plate and she cut it with a knife and fork, like literally like you're cutting a pie. She literally cut her plate of food like a pie. There was that much shit on there, dude. Like all random kind of shit.
Damn, she just ate it like as a fucking.
Dude. I watched her the whole time I was there. Did that. Went outside for a fucking Newport 100. Walked back in, did the same thing.
Oh my lord.
I've never seen anything like it before.
Holding Apple overnight's not bad. I think 112, 113 could be very easy. 112.88, 113, somewhere around there. Should be pretty easy tomorrow, as long as the market doesn't gap down.
Yeah, like you know how you cut a steak, like you put your fork in it and you
Yep.
fucking chop this. Like she did that, but like her plate has like 100 different things on there, and she just like it didn't matter what was on there, dude. She could have been cutting through fucking bones, dude.
So she has just like spaghetti, Jello, chicken fingers.
Yeah,
everything
yeah, like
getting
that.
cut.
Yeah, just a complete mix of shit on her plate, and she just cuts right through it.
That's nasty.
Went out for a cigarette break, came back and did the same thing.
She's been there before, man.
I was fucking shocked.
Like, get your bang for your buck, bro.
I was shocked.
Disbelief.
TCS? Yeah, I wouldn't trade it up here if you're not already in it. It is running, though. This is late as fuck. Putting in a pivot, putting in a bear div as well.
Yeah, like, yeah. You go to Golden Corral, you're getting fucking salmonella.
You're
E.
getting
coli.
coronavirus nowadays. You go to Golden Corral.
Yeah, you're catching something, dude.
Golden COVID.
Seriously, man. I don't know how people eat that shit. Like, there's definitely better options.
We used to go there back in the day when we were poor, but we're not poor anymore.
You know,
used
when
to
I
go
was
there when I was fucking stoned.
when I was a kid, bro, I used to think people that went to Red Lobster were rich as fuck, dude.
Same here.
Like, I've never even been to a Red Lobster,
I've been to Red Lobster
Nice.
like twice in my life.
but I used to think that shit was like fucking baller
Crazy
status.
expensive.
Yeah,
So did I.
They don't have those up here in Massachusetts.
Red Lobster.
It's
How do you
good.
aren't you guys like? Oh, well, that would be because they're probably dog shit compared to the shit you have.
You're not missing anything.
Yeah, you guys got like real
Yeah,
lobsters.
Yeah, actually, that's true. So, there's no Long John Silvers or Red Lobsters up here.
we have Long John Silver's. It's funny because there's a local joke that we think that place is a front for a drug cartel because there's literally no one ever in the parking lot, and that place has been there for 30 years.
You guys ever hear about the mattress conspiracy?
Yeah,
mattress
yeah.
stores?
The
Bro.
money laundering.
Yeah. There are more mattress stores in your city than there are like supermarkets combined, bro.
Yep.
I know a guy that owns a mattress store. That's where I got my mattress from.
Oh, bro. You should open that shit up, see if he forgot some stuff in it.
Dude, he gave me a sick deal.
Hey, Keith, have a good one, man. We're always around, dude. Hop in whenever
Imagine
you're free.
there's just like a kilo in your mattress right now. And you don't even know.
Dude, he gave me a $2,500 mattress for $1,000.
Damn. Good deal.
Oh, there's probably a dead body in that, dude. He's smuggling it out.
Right? 100% confirmed.
He's got
dude.
it silicone wrapped and shit.
I walk in there. I walk in there and I was like, Frank, what's your best fucking thing you got? And he like showed me some like, I'm not a fan of like the Tempur-Pedic and shit like that. I was like, what's next? He showed me this thing. I was like, all right, we'll take it. He's like, this is the SUV of mattresses. I was like, perfect.
Do you like
SUV of mattresses.
do you like memory foam?
No, not really.
Yeah, I do memory foam.
Too
I
hot.
have a sleep number bed.
Oh, you got one of those little remotes? That's how you
Yeah.
know he's got money. He's got a remote for his bed.
Wow, dude. Don't put me on blast like that.
Damn.
It's just a good deal, bro.
Yeah, I got you, SR. Don't worry. I think I actually owe Aaron money back. Is he here today?
Yeah, you guys were all talking all that shit about JMA's team. I said he looked alright, and he beat both of you guys. Sounds like I know what I'm talking about.
Bro, your tight end?
Popped off.
You
What
see that
the
shit?
fuck, dude? I was watching the game and I was like, man, whoever has this guy is fucking eating tonight. And I go look and you have him. I was
He
like,
popped
holy
off hard
shit.
as fuck, man.
Isn't that the reason you won?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Literally the only reason.
Tight
Fucking
end is-
12 receptions, dude. 103 yards, 1 touchdown. Fuck
I
outta
didn't
here.
have a tight end because mine got injured.
Yeah, it was a rip.
Did you still win?
No, that's the one I lost to JMA.
Oh, in
No,
the
he
second
he
league?
lost to me in the second
Dude.
league. Yeah.
Literally, as we're speaking, I just got an alert from Fantasy that says, what the fuck? Like a boss, you beat SR Dag 141 to 139. You improved to 1-1.
Bro, I'm so glad we're not 0-2.
Yeah.
I don't know
Sorry
about
for the 0-2ers in here.
I don't know about tomorrow, Eileen, but I think it definitely will by the end of the week if it keeps up like this. It's not giving any sign that it doesn't want to. Like this little pullback is like nothing. Look at the daily. It looks like it wants
Huh.
to rocket.
What are you talking about?
Roku. You came down and tapped that pivot today. You could have bought that pullback on that pivot and it literally launch padded off of that pivot.
What do you think about Docu? I wanted to ask you about Docu.
Still got a call that I'm selling on Roku. I gotta watch that shit.
Yeah, if it's below 200, I'd be careful.
No, it's at 200, I think.
Yeah, that might be okay.
Oh, no, I'm sorry, 210.
Yeah, I think you're all right. 200 is a pretty strong resistance.
Yeah.
Docu looks really good.
Yeah, I kind of want to take it.
Yeah, I think Docu will get to 217.
You think Microsoft can keep running?
Oh, yeah, Microsoft looks fantastic.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Microsoft looks amazing.
Docu looks fire.
Yeah, I want to take Docu.
The problem is where almost all the tech charts are is like the dead cat bounce zone, right? So like this is either a dead cat bounce or they're gonna get a shit ton of volume tomorrow and they're just gonna keep flying.
Yeah.
So it's
Like,
really
take a
hard
half
to
side.
predict if it's a dead cat bounce or not. But if it's going to fail, it's going to be what's today? Tuesday? It's gonna be tomorrow or Thursday.
bought the 200 calls on Microsoft for this week, and I'm like,
Oh,
it's
you
on my
took in the
cash account.
monies?
So I'm like, yeah, and I'm wondering if I should close it or keep it for tomorrow. It's 5 contracts, so it's not anything small.
You can adjust the heat and cooling on your mattress? What just happened? We all just cut out.
I'm literally waiting on this
What?
end of day right here.
Wait, are
Castro.
you talking about my mattress?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why
How
would
much
you...
did that mattress cost you?
I would never want heat on a mattress, but cooling
lot.
sounds good.
What's a lot? Like 4,000?
No, I got it on. I financed it for 0%, so I don't actually know. It wasn't $4,000 though. That sounds way too much. I think it was like 2,500.
That's not bad for a mattress.
If I was in my regular margin account, I'd just turn it into a spread, but I'm on my cash account on that Microsoft, so I'm like,
Yeah.
close.
That's what I'm watching on the queues, what I just posted, guys, in chat.
If you're afraid it's a dead cat bounce, I would close basically everything today or tomorrow. If you think it's going to keep going, just hold on to it. It's really hard to predict. We have a daily pivot coming back up on SPY. So if it's going to fail around 332.
Yep. Pushing against it soon.
We also have 2 more Fed talks this week. What about those purple beds? Those things look pretty good.
I've heard that those are like the top of the line best beds you can buy.
Yeah,
I heard they smell like shit.
that's rough.
It's because they're made in a sweatshop, bro. You gotta like air it out.
They use powder to keep the rubber inside from sticking to each other, and supposedly that powder is like gives off a pretty nasty smell. I've never had one personally, but just because when I was looking at mattresses, I looked into that.
That'd be pretty atrocious if you were going to bed every night and fucking stinked.
Yeah, and supposedly people were saying that like the powder is like poisonous and shit too.
Alrighty.
Oof.
I mean, I
Talking
don't
about
know if
purple?
it's true or not, but
The perp?
Yeah, purple.
yeah, that perp. Dude, the best bed that they had at that mattress shop that my buddy owns is like, it's for people that have like I don't know what it is, like some kind of like body issue, like people that are like need like really comfortable fucking beds because they're always in pain and shit like that. This bed was like fucking $6,000, dude. I laid on it. It was the most comfortable thing I've ever laid
$6,000?
on before. Yeah, it's like a medical bed, but it was like the most comfortable thing in the world.
Hot damn.
Do I have
And
like
it was a king too. It was fucking massive. It was huge, dude.
I have like a regular mattress with like a $500 memory foam topper, and I'm happy.
Oh, the toppers are nice.
I got a buddy. He's fucking 33 years old. Still lives at his parents' house, laying on a twin size bed. And he
Jesus
brings
Christ.
girls home all the time, bangs them on them.
That is rough, dude.
Damn, little race car bed.
Yeah, on a twin size bed at his parents' house. And he slays on Tinder too.
Does he just tell the girls that he pays the bills? His parents live with him.
I have no idea.
I don't live
man.
with them. They live with me.
Yeah, this is my house. I let him live here. That's the lie, man. If you live with your
that's what you
parents,
gotta say,
if you
bro.
live with your parents, that's all you gotta say. You pay the bills. You're helping them out.
I know it may be a different cultural thing, but in the Hispanic community, when our parents get old, we take care of them. And so my mom moved in with me, and I had to deal with that shit every time I went on a date. I had to just, oh, you still live with your mom? I'm like, oh my god.
No, we're like that too, C's.
Same
I
here,
just
bro.
moved out last what was like a year and a half ago, maybe.
Well, nowadays, see, people think it's a big stigma, right? Like living with your parents. They don't understand. Nowadays, everyone fucking lives with their parents. Like literally up until the age of like 30, if you look at the rate of people buying new homes, it's abysmal, right? People moving out of their homes at like 18 to 25 is like the lowest we've ever seen, I'm pretty sure. Look at SPY. Those 330s are fucking ripping, dude.
Yeah, holy shit.
They're almost at $2.
Shit's vertical.
I want to take that Q's trade right now so I could get in a little early, but I'm just scared that if fucking the last 20 minutes we tank.
Yeah, you guys who took those 330s, you're up like 150, 200% already. I would not hold that overnight. You could make more money tomorrow, but it's not worth the risk. This gap fill it's about to happen. You got about 10 cents, and I'd probably close this thing. Easy money.
Holy shit.
Absolute easy money.
My 335 calls in the beginning were down 80% yesterday, and then I averaged into it, and now I'm only down 10%. That's actually nuts.
Yeah. If
What
you
a
bought those
$2,000
330s in the morning when I called them out, you had a little bit of a pullback, and then it just went positive. If you bought them on that pullback, you're up 300%. It's disgusting.
Look at Apple. Good thing I switched the calls.
I just bought QQQ 274s this Friday's expiration.
I think I'm gonna keep my Twitter and my NIO and my other ones. I think I'm gonna close Microsoft because it's on cash and I can't turn it into a spread.
Holy shit, dude.
I'd be looking to
Netflix.
close SPY lottos, guys. If you took that gap, the
Netflix
gap
is ripping,
has been filled.
Netflix is ripping.
Very, very clean trade.
I'd have to go for a walk, dude, not to FOMO into anything.
Be on at 3 for Call of Duty, man.
Weekly loser in fantasy has to chug a Four Loco. I got drunk on Monday last week. Oh god, dude, Four Locos are king.
Who's my Versa this week?
Disgusting. I'm playing SR.
A lot of you guys don't even understand. The Four Locos aren't even the same they used to be. They used to be way worse. They got
They
fucking
used to have wormwood.
yeah,
jelly.
They got banned and then they had to fix it.
Chili
Yo,
here today.
I want to play KIF, dude.
Dude, I
Easy, man.
checked, and I only played KIF once, man. You guys are getting all the free games.
Damn, I don't play KIF till week 6.
I gotta fix my classes, dude. On COD, I want to like
Where's
take in what
Arun?
coin sent to heart, man. About fuck leveling up the colors and shit.
I'm playing
gotta
I'm
level up
playing
guns.
Arun this week, and I'm playing. Who am I playing in the other league? Ancient, playing Ancient in that league. Nick has beaten me by 5 points for first place.
Dude, you know what gun people sleep on? The fucking Odin.
Oh, I leveled that thing up recently. Let's trash
They
people
sleep
with it.
on it, dude.
Which one's the Odin?
Assault rifle. It fucking, dude.
It's the really slow firing gun, but it 2 taps.
Yeah.
Or 3 taps, 3 taps.
It's dirty, dude.
They sleep on it because the FAL is just better in every way.
Yeah.
But the FAL is like too good.
Well, they just buffed it, dude. They just buffed the FAL before the Odin was fucking
Yeah.
filthy.
What time is it? We have 15 minutes. This gap has basically been filled. Kif, we were talking about you and fantasy. Because your fantasy team got dicked. Dude, PUBG was fun when it first came out. I don't understand how people still play that game. It looks like it was made like 20 years ago. It feels like it was made 30 years ago.
Here's the thing about PUBG though. Like, it is a dog shit made game, but no other game has like that sophisticated amount of like bullet
The
fucking
realism
bullet
combat.
drop. Yeah, bullet drop, all those attachments.
It has realism combat. That's
Like,
basically.
I fuck with that game.
Do you guys know how to check if you have good faith violations in Weeble?
Wayne said they don't even give a. What I should. I don't know. Is the short answer.
Free alpha. Leaked.
So, next topic. All right. SPY looks pretty good. Q's looks pretty good. NIO pulled back a little bit. Look at Intel. Intel's flying. That's not good for us. Intel flying means SPY is
Ooh.
dying.
Ooh, Intel. Best indicator we have.
Yeah, best counter indicator there is. Dude, everything's flying. What's the FANG doing?
Man.
The FANG is probably on fire. The FANG's up 4%, dude.
It's fucking ripping. Dude.
Oof, look at the FANG. It's flying.
Oh my god.
Bears are getting murdered.
Good, bro.
Fucking time.
FANG is Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, Google. It's how you look at like all the big, it's like the tech sector basically. Yeah, those 330s are over $2. I would take my profit on those. What a hell of a lotto. Dude, my lotto calls on SPY lately have been fucking spot on.
Get Microsoft.
Should just be vertical, bro.
You guys are watching the stream, you like the content, hit that subscribe button. Stream 5 days a week. I should be streaming again tomorrow, 3 p.m. Eastern. Make sure to check out my How to Trade playlist on YouTube. Got a ton of free educational content. Also a free trading course on the website. Check it out, check it out.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Yeah, subscribe, and if you like the video, like the video.
Comments below what you think we should watch.
The comments below are usually cancer. They're mostly bots or people that are like shilling shit.
Castro, stop trying to steal his shine.
About to plug in my channel at the end.
This is Deja's time, man. Chill out.
Oh, okay. Sorry, man. Yeah, Amazon is carrying, dude, the market. They're up 5%, dude.
Holy shit, it's up 5.6.
You know my buddy that bought that Cody?
Yeah.
He just bought a bunch of Amazon yesterday with the rest of his funds.
Dude, look at that fucking bull dip on Amazon. There's a massive daily bull dip at the bottom.
My friend literally told me to take 3100s today.
Your friend's a smart guy.
Like in the morning before when I was making waffles.
Text that girl back and tell her that you didn't mean Ameren, you meant Amazon. You messed up the ticker.
No, that ship is gone.
You messed the ticker up by one letter, dude. It's okay.
Nah, bro, it's like you say, right? When you close a trade, doesn't matter what happens.
Yeah. Whatever happens after is none of your business.
Exactly. Stop loss was hit. I'm out. Oh yeah, Zach. Yeah.
That should be how you pick up girls. Like when you're matching, give them a stock pick. The first thing you say.
Amazon 3200s next week.
Look at QCOM.
QCOM running?
Eileen, would that work?
Yeah, dude.
If you matched with a guy on Tinder and he hit you up with a stock pick, you'd be interested, wouldn't you? That would start the conversation. Because you'd be like, okay, what does this guy know about this stock? I need to know what he knows.
Girl, you look like you want to buy some Tesla 4200s.
He's going nuts.
Now you more of a Microsoft girl? I got you.
She said it would work, dude. I'm telling you.
Sell some puts. Oh, you don't know how to sell some puts? Give me your number.
Exactly. No. You give her the referral code to Robinhood first. You tell her, hey,
I'll give my tasty first.
You
so
want
get that Tesla. pick you guys up.
You want
Maybe
some
you
free
some
money?
shares?
Yeah, you want a free
Yeah,
share?
yeah.
Send her the link.
You know, here's a Weeble too, just in case you like that one more. You know, try both of them.
Come here, honey. Let me show you how to do a butterfly spread.
Show you a
You
little
probably
iron
get
condor.
slapped. You probably get slapped for that one, dude. I think that's like a
Oh,
sex
dude.
position.
This
An
is
iron
so
condor.
good. Show you a little iron condor.
What the fuck's an iron condor?
Let me show you the bull.
Hey, baby, I'm gonna give you that. I'm gonna give you that jade lizard.
I'm fucking dead.
You ever hear of the jade lizard?
Yeah.
Fuck is a jade lizard?
It's a spread with a call spread with a put underneath.
You don't want to know, dude. Hey, Raul, he said, do you also look at the tape? So TradingView doesn't have level 2 data, so sadly I do not. When I trade futures, I do. But for stocks and options, no, I do not.
Coming down a little bit, boys.
Yeah, we are. See what happens when C's gets all excited?
Everyone's tuning into the stream. They have no idea what we're talking about. They don't understand the
Talking about, oh yeah,
they don't understand the Discord life, you know.
the DGen life.
They only get the 1 hour of the stream. They don't know what goes down.
Talking about picking up women with trading terms.
I'm telling you, it would work. Try it. Try it on the next 3 people you match with, and tell us the success rate.
All right, I'll screenshot them.
You gotta give them good picks though. Don't be naming some stupid shit. Gotta be like Amazon, or well, they can't afford Amazon, so like.
Hey, dude.
Apple, Tesla, maybe.
So NIO.
NIO might be a good one. It's high risk, high reward, you know.
Like that Snapchat, you know they got the best facial recognition system.
Yeah, exactly. Tell her about the Snapchat facial recognition like we talked about this morning. They'll be like, oh, I've got Snapchat. Here's my Snapchat. Follow me.
Exactly. Buddy, holy shit. My spy calls went down $20, 20 cents in fucking 1 minute.
The spy calls. Yeah, the 330s are down 40 cents already. I told you, let those fucking things go.
I'm in 335s. I didn't take the 330s. I should have.
Look at the target on that, dude. It's clean. Hit that gap fill. It was up like 300%, 200%. Came down. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Papa John's still going. What is this saying? It's something better pizza,
Better
Papa
pizza.
John's. Yeah, but what's
Papa
before
John's.
better pizza?
Better ingredients.
Oh, yeah, better ingredients.
Better pizza. Look at the daily candle on Twitter.
Zach, I'm not playing Tesla for battery day, but I'm playing NIO. I'm playing the discount Tesla.
I do want to take Tesla calls. It's pretty discounted right now.
5 minutes until close.
Button them up, boys. Button them up.
You think Twitter can keep going? Look at the daily candle. That thing is huge.
Let me take a look.
43.67 is what I'm showing as resistance.
And I look back and here in the last month or two, every time we get a big candle like that, it sells off the next day.
Holy shit, it's a big candle. Yeah, 7%. Probably like a micro pullback tomorrow. I gotta clean my chart up. My chart's disgusting.
I'm going to close and re-enter tomorrow.
You have a gap right above you. You notice that? You have a gap at 43.66. So you're just starting to fill the gap. So I'd watch out for that. But besides that gap fill, you look pretty good. You're holding above the value area low of that big impulse day. If you stay above like 42.55, you should get to the top of that gap. You're starting to blast through the gap right now.
Yeah.
Not a single candle on Twitter closed below the 15 moving average. Or sorry, the 8 moving average on the 15 minute. Not a single candle.
After the gap is what, 43.13-ish?
43.64 is the close.
Screw it. I'm gonna hold it. Diamond hands.
I mean, if you closed it here and it went down tomorrow, I feel like you would just be getting lucky. Because there's like nothing on the chart that's telling you to close it. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Like
yeah.
I don't see any reason to close this. The 1 hour looks good. The 4 hours putting in a pivot, so that could be a reason. 4 hours putting in a pivot. Okay, 30 minutes on a pivot, so you have a couple of reasons. 30 minute is right on a pivot.
I should say my call is for October 2nd, so that's why I think I'm gonna hold on.
You're about to hit a pivot right now on the 30 minute, almost to the penny. See how it reacts. 42.87. Besides that, there's almost no reason to close this. Yeah, I saw the Nicola guy deleted his Twitter. Guy's an idiot.
I got the 40 call on Monday morning, and then today when I saw it went up, I sold 45 for this Friday since mine is for October. Sort of legged into a diagonal. I think I'm gonna keep it.
Yeah, make your own decision. I think it looks good. However you feel.
I did close
Obviously, like I said, this could be a dead cat bounce, and it's really hard to predict, so you never know. Look at the fucking volume coming in here on the 15-minute close. We have 3 minutes left, and this is already the highest volume of the day.
Yeah, that's true.
Sorry, I meant on SPY. I don't know. It probably looks like that on Twitter, too.
It does. Except for the open.
Yeah.
But there's a lot of volume coming in.
VIX is starting to climb a little bit.
It's because SPY filled the gap and it's not breaking it, so it looks
Oh,
sketch. Looks really sketch. People are betting on it.
I think it's trying again though.
Yeah. Yeah, NIO is gonna react to Tesla battery day, I think, for sure. The bell's about to go off. 30 seconds. NIO did not have a good end of the day. Popped up and then failed that level we marked out. Massive closing volume on SPY. 7 million. There's the bell. We're green on the day. I'll take it. Green or red on the day, guys. Green or red on the day. Go. Pretty green on my end. Seems like it's pretty green on your end too. Nice.
I'll be back in like 5 minutes.
Sounds good.
For Call of
We'll
Duty.
wait for you, C's. We'll wait.
I'll be right back. I just gotta check on my daughter.
Nice. So almost all you guys are green. Love to see it. Love to see it. Snow. You guys were talking about snow. As soon as the bell rang, got a big block trade. 235. Holding Apple naked in tomorrow could pay off, man. It's either going to be a dead cat bounce and start selling off tomorrow, or it's going to fucking just absolutely tear. I think tomorrow's going to be huge. We'll see. Tomorrow should be a big day because we're in a really crucial spot.
Yeah, we finished so strong, man.
Yeah, both the closes today and yesterday were good.
And the testimony's done, which
Yep.
is like the biggest thing. It nuked the market though, huh?
Damn, Zach, if you basically got the Qs in your wallet, you should just trade Qs, man. If you want to trade all those big tech companies, just trade Qs. Snap close plus 6.66. That's bad, man. It's gonna nuke tomorrow. Devil's number. I was saying it should be a big day tomorrow, USLT, because it's either going to be a dead cat bounce and we're going to nuke, or it's going to reject the dead cat bounce and it's going to tear. It's really hard to predict. We're going to have to see how tomorrow opens.
All right, I'm back.
So what we'll do is I'll do tomorrow I'm actually not going to be here in the morning. So look at the initial balance tomorrow morning and then determine what it's going to do based on that. I'll be keeping an eye on the markets, but I just won't be at my computer. So I'll probably be talking to you guys in Discord. I gotta go to a ultrasound tomorrow for my gallbladder. But alright guys, if you guys are on stream, you guys know the drill, man. If you like the content, hit the subscribe button. If you guys like the video, like the video. I'll be streaming again tomorrow, 3 p.m. Eastern, same time. If you guys are new to trading, you want to learn some more advanced stuff or even some beginner stuff, check out my How to Trade playlist on my YouTube channel. Tons of free content on there. I've got hundreds of hours of content on my YouTube. So yeah, there's never-ending stuff that you guys can learn from on my YouTube if you guys are looking to learn more about trading. But all right, guys, I will see you tomorrow, same time, 3 p.m. Eastern. If you guys are in the Discord, I'll catch you guys later in the morning. I'm not going to be here in the morning, but I'll probably be back around lunchtime, maybe 1 p.m. But all right, guys, you guys have a good one. Peace out.